Who wrote The Myth of Sisyphus, 1942? The answer of this question is Albert Camus. Albert Camus wrote The Myth of Sisyphus. Who wrote Utopia? Sir Thomas More. What is a dystopian novel? A text which presents very unpleasant imaginary things. For example, Aldous Huxley's Brave New World, George Orwell's 1984, Margaret Atwood's The Handmaid's Tale, Cormac McCarthy's The Road. Who wrote the famous play Waiting for Godot, 1954? The answer of this question is Samuel Beckett. Who used the term aesthetic ideology? Paul de Man, a deconstructive theorist. Who gave the idea of affective fallacy? W. K. Bimsat and Monroe C. Beardsley. Who wrote The Pilgrim's Progress, 1678? John Bunyan. Question number 8. Who wrote Seven Types of Ambiguity, 1930? The answer is William Empson. Who wrote Catch 22? Catch 22 was written by Joseph Heller. Who wrote The Golden Bog? Golden Bog was. Question number 11. Who wrote Anatomy of Criticism, 1957? Northrop Fryer. Who wrote Life of Samuel Johnson, 1791? It is a popular biography that is written by James Boswell. Question number 13. The phrase carpe diem appears in. Carpe diem means seize the day, and it is found in Horace, one of the odes. In which book E.M. Forster gave the idea of flat character and round character? This is the book Aspects of Novel. Question number 15. What is the source of Shakespeare's As You Like It? Thomas Lodge Rosselin. The Comedy of Humors was developed by. It was developed by Elizabethan playwright Ben Jonson. Question number 17. Who wrote Principles of Literary Criticism, 1924? It is written by I.A. Richards. Who wrote Critique of Aesthetic Judgment, 1790? Immanuel Kant. Question number 19. Who wrote Culture and Society, 1958? Raymond Williams, one of the founders of structuralism. Who wrote The Uses of Literacy, 1958? Richard Hogarth. It is associated with cultural studies. Question number 21. Who wrote Evolution and Literary Criticism, 1995? It is associated with Darwinian studies. and it is written by Joseph Carroll. Jacques Derrida published his basic views on deconstruction in which three books? Three books are Of Grammatology, Writing and Difference, Peace and Phenomena. Question number 23. The idea of dialogic criticism is modeled on. It is modeled on Michael Bakhtin's ideas. Who wrote the famous essay, The Metaphysical Poets? Essay was written by T.S. Eliot. Question number 25. What is a dirge? A dirge is something like an elegy, but it is short and less formal and is used to be sung. Elegy is written on the death of some person or some animal. Question number 26. Who wrote A Literature of Their Own? It is one of the famous feminist books and it is written by Ellen Sowalter. Question number 27. Who wrote How to Do Things with Words? And this is the foundation of speech act theory in literary criticism, and that is written by J.L. Austin. Who wrote The Castle of Otranto, a Gothic story? It is written by Horace Walpole. It is a Gothic novel and it creates the foundation for Gothic novels. Question number 29. The phrase anxiety of influence was given by. It is used by Harold Bloom. Who gave the idea of competence and performance? Noam Chomsky gave the idea, and this is similar with the idea of parole and lag given by Ferdinand de Saussure. With this, we end our video. Best of luck for your success. Subscribe the channel for many more such videos. Thank you.